Thank you very much, Nimesh, for pointing it out. Usually the standout brokerage reports are taken very seriously. Let's see how things pan out today. At the moment, it looks like the Nifty bank is starting back foot and the indices not so bad. 0.4 down. That's the first tick, about 45 to 50 points lower for the Nifty. That's 11,885. And the Sensex about 40,530. That's about 150 down. Again, 0.4. Nifty bank continues to struggle. It's about 0.8, 200 points down and 24,400. But it's been so volatile. In a jiffy, it gains 200 and loses 200. At the moment, it is starting slightly on the back foot. The mid-caps are not doing all that bad. It's a 0.25% lower, and that's giving the advanced declines a slightly positive hue. Well, what's doing well? Ultratech is doing very well. Ultratech is up about 1.7. Britannia is seeing a bit of short covering, and then you have some of the stocks that were neglected, Bharti Airtel, Shree Cement seeing a bit of short covering. Bajaj Finserv is getting some thumbs up. It's up about 1%. And the other couple of stocks in the green are HUL, HDFC Life and Reliance. That's it. That's the green list. About 7 of them. A rather long red list. But, you know, at the index level, it's only 1/3% lower. So the number of stocks that are in the red are many, but they are all a few pies lower. 1% lower or more is only HCL Tech and DRL. Otherwise, Tech Mahindra, ICICI Bank, Power Grid, Hindalco, SBI, BPCL, a motley group of stocks down about 0.5%. It's not a market which is giving you any clear signal at this point in time. It's a cat on the wall. At the moment, the Nifty's reduced its losses in the first minute of trading to 0.2. It started with minus 0.4, but the mid-caps have actually put on weight. Just a word, Nifty Bank has rapidly lessened its losses. It's now down only 0.3, but mid-caps at least have some green.
Yes, there's a degree of outperformance in the mid-cap space, so it's holding up in the green. The advanced decline ratio split right down the middle. The space to look at is the tire space because you're getting a lot of traction there. JK Tires is up almost about 6% Apollo Tires, the sentiment rub-off there, that stock is up almost 2% Amber Enterprises, by the way, has been on a tear, this year. Now it's doubled. It's up another 2.5% right now. Talking about earnings, Syngene is reacting slightly negatively to its numbers. KPIT Tech as well is down almost 4% post its earnings. Sagar Cement, Tejas Networks looking good post numbers, so keep an eye out on that. And GMM Pfaudler as well, that should come up for you. Good set of numbers coming in over there. Coforge, Hexaware, Emphasis are a couple of companies that will be coming out with their numbers today. So ahead of that, these stocks are also seeing some amount of traction. So these are the list of big movers. Emphasis, by the way, is up almost about 2%. The entire cement space is looking really good. There's a lot of follow-on buying that you're seeing. Ultratech Cement, of course, Anuj was pointing that out. Now, one of the biggest Nifty gainers. Britannia, by the way, is bouncing back up almost about 2.5%. This is a good market, actually. A lot of traction and stocks are being bought on the downside. Anuj, now the Bank Nifty and the mid-caps have moved into the green. Would you read this as a good sign that there is buying on every dip?
Yeah, but in this market, you'll have to be prepared for a lot of volatility. Yesterday it gave you an indication. If a market can move 200